Have you been looking for a budget-friendly shotgun microphone? Well, today I'm going to be unboxing just that. Welcome everybody to Reviews by Lucas. I've been looking for a budget-friendly shotgun microphone for a while now, and I came across the Rode VideoMic GO. Rode is well known in the realm of microphones, so I'm pretty excited. Before we get unboxing, hit subscribe down below, that way you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Let's get going. Taking a look at the box here, there's a nice clear screen on the front so you can actually see the microphone inside the box. If you flip it over on the one side, it lets you know there's a 2-year warranty. There's suspension integrated into the microphone to prevent from movement and noises from the movements of your camera. It doesn't require a battery to operate, as well as it's very lightweight, as I can feel here in the box. But let's open it up. So, once again, I'm not going to be keeping the box for this microphone, so if it gets a little damaged, it's not the end of the world to me. Pretty straightforward case. I'm gonna pull this out. It's the 3mm, I believe, wire to connect the microphone to your camera. I'm going to be using it for my DSLR camera. However, I have seen videos where people have tried it out on different devices. Then your instruction guide, or quick start guide as they like to call it. Then pull the microphone out here, set the package to the side. As you see, this is the integrated suspension that they were talking about. I'm going to set that down. I'm going to pull the wire out itself and plug it into the back of the microphone. And it just clips in to the back here. There we go. Then you can slide this onto the top of your DSLR camera, screw it down so it holds nice and tight, and then plug this into the side and you're ready to go. The Rode VideoMic GO. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'm very excited to get using this shotgun microphone. I feel it's going to be very useful for the various types of videos I'm going to be making. If you are interested in this microphone, I'm going to post a link down in the description down below so that it makes it a little easier for you to buy it. I will be making a review video on this microphone in the future, so to make sure you don't miss out on that, hit subscribe, turn on the notifications box, and leave your comments down below.